Yeah, hello guys, welcome to EPC Electronics. So today we are going to learn how to reflow on board RAM. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4, these are all memory chips on this mini Asus touch laptop. It's an Asus board. So the problem, what is happening on this laptop is there is no display on the screen. So sometimes to troubleshoot this problem, you need to reflow the RAM. So you use the temperature 450 degrees and at least 4.5 airflow. So the trick is to heat the memory chip until it can move. So that's how you reflow. So let's heat this one. I've already reflow it. Let's just go to this one. Just going to reflow all the chips. This is very delicate, so you need to be careful when doing it. So you need a hot air station if you don't have one. Yeah, this one is done. This one I've already done. Let's do this one. Oh, this one is done also. Let's turn the board with other memory chips here, with another four of them this side. So we are going to get the flux. Just add it on all the chips. The flux, let it just need enough. Then you add on this one also. So this is it. So let's do the similar process. Similar process. Pause it.